Law and society is the study of law as it really exists in the world, not the doctrines, not what the law should be, but how it actually functions. Where does it come from? Who makes it? And once you have, say, a law passed, what difference does it make? And this is a to me, very important subject, because otherwise we're just talking theory and we're not talking about the real world. So law and society is about the real world. I also think that American legal history, which I teach, is not a different subject, but simply study of our social system and how the legal system has affected it, but in the past. So we're asking, what was law and society like in Puritan Massachusetts? What was it like in, say, Atlanta in 1870? What was it like during the New Deal? So to me, they're the same subject. Empirical research is absolutely essential. I think most people recognize that this is the case with economic research. What's the unemployment rate? What's the impact of the tax laws and so on? But it's also true of all other issues of public policy. For example, if we're concerned with immigration, is it really true that immigrants commit crimes? If we're concerned about the breakdown of the family, is it really true that easy divorce laws contribute to this? Now, to answer any of these questions, you just need empirical research. You can't find the answer by just thinking about it. And I think in almost any legal issue that you can name, it's important to have the facts, the actual facts. Well, I think the average person should care about it because you read in the paper or you hear about a law being passed or a decision of a court, and we rarely pay enough attention to the question, does it make any difference? Is anybody following it? Is it being obeyed or disobeyed? Is it making a difference? Is it helping the economy or is it hurting the economy? So these are the important questions, and that's what law and society is all about. I mean, a study, for instance, if you're interested in, the drug laws, what are they doing to us? Not only whether they're direct effect, but their indirect effect. What are they doing to families? Are they filling the prisons? Are they making a difference? Is the difference a good one or a bad one? I've done a lot of work in the history of family law. So a lot of people throughout our history have been fighting against what they consider easy divorce, on the assumption that if you make divorce easier, more families will break up. But it turns out that's not the case. Families break up for other reasons, and divorce, you're putting the cart before the horse. Divorce doesn't cause family breakup. Family breakup causes divorce. And if you don't have divorce, you still have family breakup, but they separate, they live apart, they don't go through the legal system, but the result is the same. So I think it's very important for us to understand when law works and when it doesn't work, when it makes a difference, when it makes a good difference, when it makes a bad difference.